I wanted more performance out of my brake lines, so I decided to go with Motul DOT 5.1 high temperature brake fluid that would actually be able to handle high temperature while braking. It'll actually be a good replacement from the regular DOT 4. It's also a good replacement for the upgraded stainless steel brake lines that I installed on my car and my motorcycle. I used the Good Cook brand turkey baster for this process. Here I used the nifty little bleeder kit, which is made by OEM Tools. It's the Bleedomatic one-man bleeder kit. It makes the brake bleeding process so much simpler and easier, and it only takes one person to do it. I use this for bleeding my brakes on my car, my son's car, and also my motorcycle. Motul DOT 5.1 high temp brake fluid. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.